Welcome to the English podcast from Deep Insight Podcast channel.
This is a simple English podcast where you can improve your listening and learn new ideas.
Hey, English learners, my name is Alex.
And I'm Emma. Alex, I have a question for you.
Sure. What is it?
What if you go to a restaurant in an English-speaking country but don't know how to order food?
Honestly, I think many English learners worry about that. They know some English, but they feel nervous when it's time to speak.
Exactly. But don't worry, today we'll learn how to order food in simple English.
Emma, what's the first thing a waiter usually says?
Usually the waiter smiles and says, "Hello, welcome." Then they may ask, "How many people?" Or, "Table for one or two?"
That sounds easy.
Yes, and after you sit down, the waiter may ask, "Are you ready to order?"
What if I'm not ready?
That's very common. You can simply say, "Not yet, thank you." Or, "I need a few more minutes, please."
That's a polite answer. Okay, now I'm ready. What should I say?
Very simple. You can say, "I'd like the chicken sandwich, please."
Instead of saying, give me a chicken sandwich.
Exactly. I'd like, sounds much more polite and natural.
Can I also say, can I have the beef burger, please?
Yes, that's another excellent expression. Native English speakers use it all the time.
What about drinks?
It's the same idea. You can say, "Can I have a glass of water, please?" Or, "I'd like an orange juice."
That sounds very easy to remember.
It is. You don't need difficult words. Just be polite and speak clearly.
What if I don't know what's inside a meal?
Great question. You can ask, "What's in this dish?" Or, "Does this contain chicken?"
And what if I have a food allergy?
Then you should tell the waiter before ordering. For example, I'm allergic to peanuts, or I can't eat seafood.
That's really important.
Yes, it helps the restaurant prepare safe food for you.
Let's practice a short conversation.
Great idea.
Hello? I'd like a cheeseburger and a bottle of water, please.
Certainly. Would you like fries with that?
Yes, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Perfect. That sounds polite and natural.
Emma, do you have any final tips?
Yes, first, don't be afraid to speak. Restaurant staff talk to many people every day, and they're happy to help. Second, always use polite words like please and thank you. And finally, remember these 3 useful phrases. I'd like can I have, could I please have? If you remember these, you'll be able to order food with confidence.
I think these expressions will help many English learners.
Now we have a question for you.
What is your favorite food to order at a restaurant? Tell us in the comments below.
We'd love to read your answers.
Thank you for listening to the English podcast from Deep Insight Podcast channel.
We hope this conversation helped you improve your English.
See you in the next episode, English learners.
Take care and keep practicing your English.